Tire dimensions: 1. Section width. 2. Tire height. 3. Wheel diameter. Look at this. Tire size. Typical tire size information. P. Tire use. Passenger car. That's what the P stands for. It can be a T for temporary use. Section width millimeters. 225 millimeters. That's the section width. Aspect ratio, the tire height to section width, 65. For tire construction code, it's a radial. It's not diagonal. It could be diagonal, and it's not a triangle. It's a radial. It's a round. 17.5. That's his wheel diameter in inches. 17. These are running around on 17s. How about that? Load index. 2 digits or 3 digits. This is 3 digits. 101. Speed symbol. Alphabet with 1 letter. H. That is the typical tire size information. These are the specifications. Tire size specifications. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. Let's get to it. Let's do it. Specifications. Tire information. Here we are. That is your tire. 1. Tire size. Welcome back. Let me turn this camera around. It is raining outside, which is a beautiful sight. It's a beautiful sight. Anyway, this picture right here, this shape right here is actually the same shape as, it's not on right now, as the whenever my tire pressure sensor is on. The tire. You got the bead, sidewall, shoulder, tread, belt, chafer, bead wires, rim line, carcass, it's not a dead animal, reinforcing rubber, and inner liner. So that's all the parts of a tire. Uniform tire quality grading. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration of the U.S. Department of Transportation. See? DOT quality grades. All passenger vehicle tires must conform to federal safety requirements in addition to these grades. Quality grades can be found where applicable on the tire sidewall between tread, shoulder, and maximum section width. For example, tread wear 200, traction AA, temperature A. AA batteries. How about that? You got an A for apple, B for blue, and C for I'm in baseball and I'm bunting. So that's C word. So there we go. All right. Have a great day.